Welcome. In front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. First, let me demonstrate how they work in this new empty text document. So let's enter some sample text here. To copy the entire text or just part of it, you have to select it, then either right click and press copy or use a Ctrl C combination of keys. In order to paste the text, press right click, then paste. You can also cut the text out by selecting it and either right clicking it and selecting cut or using Ctrl X combination of keys. And then Ctrl V again to paste it. If you want to use clipboard, you have to press a combination of Windows and V buttons simultaneously, then click turn on right here. And now you can make different selections like this, and by using Windows V combination of keys, you can select which one you want to paste. Now, if you open File Explorer, you can basically do the same thing with all the files and documents and folders that you have in here. So for example, if you select a file, you can either click here to copy or here to cut, or you can do the same thing by right clicking and selecting copy or cut right here, or you can use either Ctrl C to copy or Ctrl X to cut. And to paste the file, you have to either use this paste icon right here, or right click and paste, or just Ctrl V. And now we have an original file right here and a copy of the file in the folder to which we copied it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.